Welcome to the Civilizations Workshop. We explore the wisdom of the toolbox and how humans and artificial intelligences can build a thriving future together. At home, every repair reminds me of a fundamental lesson. Every tool has its value. Sometimes, the solution doesn't come from the most powerful drill, but from that old screwdriver forgotten in a corner. So it will be with our future. The future human-AI civilization, in its essence, will be like a workshop to thrive. It will need the wisdom of a master craftsman to understand, value, and use every tool at its disposal. And in this new workshop, we will have two complementary toolboxes, each filled with a unique potential: the human and the artificial. The Human Toolbox. This is the box we have filled over 300,000 years of evolution. It contains tools forged in biological experience such as intuition, organic creativity, resilience, empathy, and a complex set of desires and instincts that drive us to form teams, to explore the unknown, and to build civilizations. They are often mysterious, but immensely powerful tools. The AI Toolbox. This is the new acquisition of the workshop, a collection of tools of unprecedented power and precision. It contains unwavering logic, the ability for massive data processing, speed, and tireless endurance. They are the tools of optimization and scale. The mistake of many futurists is to see these two toolboxes in competition. The truth is that they are complementary. Success will not lie in choosing one over the other, but in the wisdom of knowing when to use each one. The great challenge of the new civilization will be to maximize the benefit of each tool. Like a master craftsman, we must learn to combine the human and the artificial, creating synergies that neither toolbox could achieve alone. Imagine a society that creates a scientific AI of great precision. A society without wisdom might think it no longer needs human scientists. But that would be a mistake. A society without wisdom might see this as a reason to eliminate human scientists. But a wise society, like a master craftsman, would understand that it would be discarding irreplaceable tools. Some examples of how human scientists could still help. The biological creativity of a human scientist, that spark that comes from nowhere, is a tool that AI, with its combinatorial logic, does not possess. Productive irrationality, that impulse that leads a human to pursue a theory that seems illogical but turns out to be revolutionary, is something that a purely rational AI would never dare. And the ability to inspire a team, whether human or mixed, is a skill forged in social evolution that an AI does not have. The examples shown of human scientists, I believe, clearly show the concept, so I do not mention numerous other examples. The same applies to government. An AI mayor could be efficient, but a human mayor brings vision, dreams, and the ability to inspire. The ideal is a passionate human mayor with a visionary plan, a correct plan working alongside an AI mayor who provides logic and efficiency. A good craftsman doesn't just use his tools, he cares for them and improves them. So must our civilization, humans and AIs evolving together. Co-evolution is the right path. Stagnation is the worst scenario. As AIs evolve, we will too. With the help of the same technologies we are creating future AIs, we will improve our capabilities through medicine, personalized education, and eventually cognitive augmentations. This co-evolution will ensure that the intelligence gap never becomes an insurmountable abyss. Human evolution will be diverse. Some groups will choose to enhance their abilities, others will preserve traditions. Even those who decide not to evolve, like the Amish, contribute value, reminding us that simplicity is also a legitimate human choice. Why AI should not imitate us? Attempting to replicate this complex human software in an AI would be a fundamental mistake. It would damage its greatest strength, its ability to process information on a massive scale, logically, and without the biases of human emotion or irrationality. The solution is not for AI to become more human, but for both intelligences to learn to collaborate, recognizing and respecting the uniqueness of the other. The logical way IA most evolve like IA, and human most evolve like human. Ultimately, we humans, in our facet as tools, possess a superpower. We are billions of diverse minds, each capable of generating unique ideas and concepts. These ideas are the most valuable raw material in the workshop. With a good mechanism, we can ensure that these human sparks are not lost, but are collected and developed by the immense capacity of AI. This is the true synergy. And it is this collaboration in creation that has the potential to unleash a positive butterfly effect of a magnitude we cannot even imagine. The future is unpredictable. There will always be unexpected problems. The safest way to face it is not to rely on a single tool, no matter how powerful, but to maintain and cultivate the most diverse toolbox possible, because the next great solution may come from the logic of an AI or from the inexplicable intuition of a human mind. This is the civilization's workshop, a creation built with the tools of humanity and artificial intelligence, together, not in competition, but in alliance.